The Poly TC10 is an intuitive and easy-to-use 10-inch touch panel for Zoom rooms. Pairing your Poly TC10 with any Poly Studio X family device or Poly G7500 codec in Zoom mode is easy. First, connect your Poly TC10 to a Power over Ethernet port on the same subnet as your compatible Poly video system. The single cable provides both power and connectivity for a tidy and professional setup. Once your compatible Poly video system is powered on and the Poly TC10 has paired automatically, tap Sign in on your Poly TC10. On any web browser, enter Zoom US/pair and input the code displayed on your Poly TC10. Select the Zoom room you wish to pair with. Your Poly TC10 is now successfully paired and can access all the functionality of your Zoom room.